Hey, you've been leveling floors wrong. Let me show you. This is Jamie, this is John. They're gonna be pouring some self-leveler. Jamie's doing things the traditional way. John's using the MEGA-HIPPO from Pneumatic. Look at it, 120 pounds of industrial grade steel. It's even got a liner so John never cross-contaminates his mixing. 4 wheels? I heard it drove here itself.
Our legal team would like to advise the HIPPO is not road compliant.
The MEGA-HIPPO is for guys who don't muck around. They want to do better work, faster, and walk away with more money. But enough chit-chat. Jamie and John are using 400 bags of cement for the same 2,000 square foot warehouse. Let's go. John adds his water to the MEGA-HIPPO and gets started. He's doing 35 bags an hour. With the MEGA-HIPPO, that's a labor cost of 57 cents per bag. Talk about efficiency. Jamie's already hit a wall. He can only do 15 bags an hour, and with 2 guys, his labor cost is $2.66 per bag. He starts rushing to keep up, but John can do 6 bags at a time, and the MEGA-HIPPO's high-quality mixer ensures he's getting the perfect consistency. He just rolls it over to the wet edge and, you know what, you get it. It's the manufacturer standard perfect pour over and over again. Go back to Jamie, there's no drama here. Jamie is stressing. To keep up, he hires another guy and another mixer. But the traditional method is tiring, and they start to cut corners, meaning the leveler quality is going down. Meanwhile, John's finished. He's done a beautiful job. He's moved on to the next one. It's the foundation of an apartment complex in the shape of a dollar sign. Jamie ends up fixing the mistakes they made when the team got tired. Overtime. They got paid the same fee. Here's the labor cost. Do the math. Pneumatic.